Lohikoskentie Jyväskylän lohitalo.
Yeah, and today is the 9th of August 2021. We have Lohikoskentie, 18th staircase E here in Jyväskylä, Keski-Suomen, west of Finland. And this is 1966. Turning 55 years old this year in 2021, the serial number is H13941. Be expected in 2023. And there can be 3 persons at all bedrooms. We also went to the staircase D here. Do you think they're gonna use the other?
Yeah.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
For some reason the building 16 staircases B and C don't have elevators, but 14A still has it. 1962, but it's, we have to come there later. This was still a little bit of a disappointment because they were not vanished there and here.
Yeah.
But still amazing.
Yeah.
It's just a small disappointment.
Yeah.
No, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And of course, in this building you can also watch the HD here.
That's